If you want to eject SIM tray on Realme 14T, you will need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box. Of course, in my case, I don't have the original one, but it does the job as well. In your case, you can also use not original one or the original one if you still have it. Now, over here at the bottom, we have SIM tray over here. And on the left side, in this case, we have the SIM tray hole. Do not mistake it with this hole over here because this is a microphone. And we need to insert the eject tool into this hole next to the SIM tray. So let's put it in and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. Once it pops out, then you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And this is how the SIM tray looks like. Over here, we have SIM 1. On the back, we have hybrid slot. We can either use SIM 2 or the SD card. So in order to insert the SIM card, first we're gonna use SIM 1. We need to match the shape, of course. It should go in pretty easily, and just make sure that it is fully in. It should not stick out. And now let's take a look at the back. Over here, like I mentioned, we can either use SIM 2 or the SD card. So first I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM 2. In this case, it looks like this. So a little bit different than SIM 1. And if you want to insert the memory card, the SD card, then this is the, of course, correct way to do so. So let's try to put it in. There we go, I think it is in. And now it's definitely in. It should not stick out at all, just like SIM 1. And now once we have everything in its place, then we can put the SIM tray back into the phone. Now over here I have SIM 1, so SIM 1 is face up. And just push it in with your finger. Make sure that the SIM tray also does not stick out after that. It should be fully in, and if you have troubles with pushing the SIM tray all the way in, then just make sure that SIM cards or also the memory card is properly inserted into their slots. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!